Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Webull subscription. First, open your Webull application on your mobile device or desktop. Once logged in, navigate to the menu icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you will find and select the My Subscriptions or Subscription Management option to proceed with managing your active services. After accessing the Subscription Management section, you will see a clear list of all your currently active subscriptions. Carefully identify the particular service you wish to discontinue from this list. Once you have located it, simply tap or click on that specific subscription to open its detailed information and proceed to the next step in the cancellation process. Now, within the detailed view of your chosen subscription, look for a prominent Cancel Subscription button. This button is usually clearly labeled. Click or tap it, and then carefully follow any subsequent on-screen prompts to confirm your decision to end the service. You may also be given an optional field to provide a reason for your cancellation, which you can choose to fill or skip. To ensure your cancellation is complete, always check your registered email for a confirmation message from Webull. Additionally, log back into your Webull account and verify that the subscription status has been updated to canceled or inactive. Remember, you might retain access to the service until the end of your current billing period, which could be several days or weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.